Welcome back to Ezra Ondara TV, and it's another house tour day. Today we are here at some new apartments in London Estate in Nakuru. These are 2-bedroom apartments with spacious rooms. Let's go inside and see the true picture. Alright, here we are. This is the sitting room, quite large for a standard household, where a 6-seater, coffee table and a TV stand are the major items. Let's continue. Through this door and we enter a passage where on the side of it is where you find a toilet and a bathroom. The bedrooms are on the right, starting with the master bedroom. It's large and with spacious wardrobes. There is your washroom too. On this other side, you find the other bedroom. This one is not en suite, but it's quite spacious too and front facing. Out to the left end, we find the kitchen. There is a sizable countertop space and a decent amount of storage. The kitchen does have a balcony too. Alright, that's it with the interior. Now let me give you some exterior views, and it's also important to let you know that the establishment is right next to the tarmac road. In terms of pricing, these are being offered at 23,000 Kenyan shillings. Moreover, the place has a borehole, so water will not be a problem, and a perimeter wall for added security. So that's it. You can always shoot me a line for viewing and further advancements.
And that's it, folks. Now, last but not least, 2 things. Number 1, if you like what I'm doing, then subscribe to my channel. And if you don't like what I'm doing, then just pick any of my videos and drop a comment on that video and let me know what you don't like. Alright, see you in the next one.